We all want financial freedom. But here's the truth. Most people never get there. Why? Because they're stuck in habits that quietly drain their wealth. Today, I'll share the 5 habits that keep you poor and how to break free from them starting now. Habit 1. Spending more than you earn. It sounds obvious, but it's the #1 trap. Lifestyle inflation. Spending more every time you earn more keeps people broke no matter their income. The fix? Lie below your means. Instead of upgrading every time you get a raise, lock in a budget and invest the difference. Habit 2. Ignoring savings. Too many people wait until the end of the month to save, but by then, there's usually nothing left. The fix? Pay yourself first. Move 10 to 20% of your income into savings or investments the moment you get paid. Treat savings like a bill. It's non-negotiable. Habit 3. Living on debt. Credit cards, payday loans, buy now, pay later. It feels convenient now, but it steals your future. High interest debt traps you in a cycle where all your money goes to payments instead of progress. The fix? Stop using debt to fund your lifestyle. If you can't buy it in cash, you can't afford it. Habit 4. Not investing. If your money isn't working for you, you'll always be working for money. The wealthy build assets, stocks, real estate businesses that grow and pay them back over time. The fix? Start small. Even $50 a month into index funds or ETFs can snowball into thousands over time. Habit 5. No financial plan. Here's the biggest mistake. Living without a plan. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. The fix? Create a simple financial roadmap. Set short-term and long-term goals. Track your spending. Adjust monthly. Closing. So let's recap the 5 habits that keep you poor. Spending more than you earn. Ignoring savings. Living on debt. Not investing. No financial plan. The good news? Every one of these habits can be broken. And when you do, you'll put yourself on the path to financial freedom. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built by the daily choices you make. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this wake-up call. And check out my other videos for more practical money hacks you can start today.